Good morning, students. Myself, Mr. Swami, and today we are going to discuss about a new topic: electricity and circuits. Circuit. So, what is meant by electricity or electric current? It is the flow of electric charges through a path to which electricity can generate, or it is the flow of electric charges through a path. It is also called as electric current. So, for electric current, there are different kinds of sources are there, like power stations are there, like hydropower. Okay, like that. Then generators are there, big generators are there in large institute or in hospitals. Large, big generators are there, electric generators. Okay, then in small amount it is electric batteries, electric cells. Okay, it is also called as dry cells. So these are the sources of electricity. Apart from that, some natural sources is there, like lightning. Lightning. It is forming, just bombarding of clouds between them. Okay, so a tremendous amount of electric current is generated through the lightning. Okay, so these are the sources of electric current. Okay, now we will discuss about electric circuit. Okay, electric circuit. To flow means to flow of electric current, there is a path is needed. There is a need of one path. That path is nothing but the electric circuit through which electric current can flow. Okay. So the materials required for the electric circuit are electric cell or battery, then connecting wires, then bulb is also required to check whether electric current is flowing or not, and one more important thing, that is switch is also required to connect or break the electric circuit. So we know that now what is meant by electric circuit. So it is the path of the electric current through which electric current can flow. Okay, so the main thing is required for the electric circuit is electric cell. Okay, through which electric current can flow. Through which electric current can flow. We will discuss about the electric cell or dry cell. We will discuss about the electric cell. Once we have seen like this, in electric cell is present, we are using this electric cell in a remote, TV remote, then watch. Okay, in that we are using this electric cell. It is also called as pencil cell. Okay, and here it is looking like this. Okay, here positive mark is there, here negative mark is there in the electric cell. Okay, so what are the components are present in the electric cell that we are going to see. Here inside the electric cell, this is the metal cap is there. Metal cap is there. This above this, here plus sign is there, no? So here metal cap is there. Inside that metal cap, one rod is there. Here one rod is there. Okay, so this rod is nothing but the carbon rod. This rod is made of carbon rod, and from this rod electric current can flow through the circuit. Okay, and here paste is there, some chemical paste is there of manganese dioxide. Chemically it is written as MnO2, then ammonium chloride, NH4Cl, and zinc chloride, ZnCl2 plus carbon. So these are the chemicals present in the electric cell in the form of paste. These are the mixture of chemicals present in the electric cell in the form of paste. Here positive terminal is there, then negative terminal is there. Okay, positive terminal, it is made up of carbon rod, and this negative terminal, it is made up of zinc case. Okay, zinc case. So this is the inside structure of electric cell. Okay. Now the main work of this electric cell is to generate electricity or electric current from these chemicals, mixture of these chemicals. Means in the electric cell, chemical energy will convert into electrical energy. Okay. So this is about the electric cell. Okay. So now we will see the electric circuit. This is how it can look like this. This is the electric cell. Okay. And to this wire is connected like this. Here is bulb is there. Here switch is there, and this will connect to the negative terminal of this cell. Okay, so it is the complete circuit, electric circuit, through which electric current can flow. Okay, now one important thing is that electric current can flow only in the direction of through positive terminal of this electric cell to the negative terminal of this electric cell. It will not flow through the negative terminal towards the positive terminal. It will electric current flow in the electric circuit always in the direction of positive terminal of electric cell to the negative terminal of electric cell inside the circuit. But inside the electric cell, electric current always flow from the negative terminal of electric cell to the positive terminal of electric cell inside the circuit. Okay, so this is all about the electric circuit. Okay, further points we will discuss in next class. Thank you.